everyone, today we're staying at Disney's Old Key West Resort. We have a 2-bedroom villa. We are currently in building 46. Our room is 4623, so let's take you on the tour. So once you come in, to the right you have a little pedestal there where you can leave your keys. Nice mirror there so you can check yourself out before you leave. If we head directly to the left, we're entering the master bedroom. Some artwork there. Let's take you through the laundry room first. So we love the Old Key West 2-bedroom villa. It's our favorite 2-bedroom on the entire Disney World property. You have these nice full-size washer and dryers. Bathroom, walk-in shower. And like we said before in our first video, we're currently living in COVID times, so there are these nice little coverings that once they sanitize the pumps, the remote control, they just cover them to say that they have been cleaned. There's the sink, H2O products, all the towels. You have this nice jacuzzi tub here. Great big mirror with some nice lighting behind it. Some good storage space, and of course the hair dryer. Really big closet in the master bedroom with some extra pillows and blankets. Something else I think is like different but cool, you have this like little window, so if you wanted to watch TV, you probably could. Some cute Mickey and Minnie artwork there. That's the main hallway we just came into with the main entrance just to the right of that mirror. And we're entering the master bedroom. Nice little lounging chair there. Good lighting in this room. Nice king size bed. Flat screen TV. There's also a door to the patio, but we'll go to the patio through the living area. Gorgeous view. And you can see here, remote control, cleaned and sanitized. Plenty of storage space. And let's go into the living area. Here's a second bedroom. Little coffee table and chair there. 2 queen size beds. Another closet. Oh, big closet. Our view of the parking lot and a walkway to one side. Another freshly clean and sanitized remote. Let's see what it looks like with the lights on. Oh, look at that cute Minnie Mouse artwork. Adorable. Got your Holy Bible. Some more storage space. The view out the back. Nice little waterway there. Let's check out the bathroom next. Nice big countertop space with a big mirror. Another hair dryer, more storage underneath there. closet. A ton of hangers. I love that full-length mirror. Let's see if I can turn the light on. So, really nice long countertop spaces there. Good lighting in the bathroom. Standard shower tub. Sanitized H2O products. Last look at the second bedroom. And now this is the main living area. I love this one because it's so big. I believe this pulls out to a little sleeper. I'll pull that out for you all later so you can see. This also pulls out into a sleeper. Ta-da! Another sanitized and clean remote. I love all the windows here, let in the natural sunlight. It's a cute lamp. This view is just gorgeous. There's your breakfast area. I saw it. Nice big screen TV. Let's turn it on. Ooh, it's a smart TV. Maybe we can cast YouTube or Disney Plus on there. Coming into the kitchen. Lots of counter space there. Some cutlery. There's your recycling bin, trash, extra paper towels if you need, 12-cup pot coffee maker, creamer, sugar, coffee. Here you do get the plates. I don't know if you guys can see that amenity list. Again, everything included in a Disney Vacation Club room. Wine glasses, regular glasses, coffee mugs. If you want to cook, lots of bowls, mixing cups. Some measuring cups, a strainer if you want to cook. Here's your flatware. Full dishwasher. Pots and pans. Oven. Microwave. And this nice fridge. Huge. Got an ice maker in the room, so that's nice. My leftovers. This is what the room looks like from this angle. And let's go outside. That was the door to the master bedroom. Some of my favorite memories are here drinking coffee in the mornings, reading a book, staying at this resort. I love this big open patio space. And there's a pool over there. So this building is quite a ways away from the main house. I'm not sure if there is transportation between the buildings to the main house, but we'll most likely just take our car. So these are what the pull-out beds look like with them open. This 2-bedroom does sleep 9. And as you saw, the pillows are in the closets, extra pillows, extra blankets. And there's